In about 3 weeks, I'll be heading out to the Pacific coast and go camping and also do some crabbing. I need a boat that is safe. That is, if it flips over, I can recover easily. Doing a pontoon boat may be a good option. I built a few pontoon boats. One of the concerns I have is I'm afraid water getting inside the pontoon. Therefore, in my very first implementation, I placed foam blocks within the pontoon so it would never sink. But then, as you can see, there are many components, and it took me 45 minutes to assemble this boat. Then I went on, did another version of the pontoon boat, which I didn't place any foam inside. The final form factor is good. The assembly time was 15 minutes. But then, the freeboard is still very high, and also the hull is very boxy. Therefore, I work on my third pontoon boat design with a better hydrodynamic bottom. Then it created another problem. The shape of the bottom is very difficult to secure it to the platform using lashing. Besides, the freeboard was very high also. But now, with heat fusion, I believe I can build watertight pontoons, and I don't have to worry about water getting inside the pontoon. Therefore, I will not be needing a very high freeboard. And let's take a look at my fourth design of the pontoon boat. This is the draft of the plan for the pontoon. With the pontoon height of 4 inches, this design can handle 300 pounds. My design goal is to create something that others can easily copy and build their own pontoon boat. I come up with 2 methods to fold the bow or the stern. The left one created a more traditional kayak style, but it is more difficult to build. The second method on the right is easier to build, and the result will look more like a paddleboard. I can do a mix and match of both methods. Finally, I decided to use the second folding method for both the bow and stern. In my next video, I will show you how I build this paddleboard. If you find this video interesting, I appreciate you support me by giving me a like or subscribe to my channel so that this video will reach more people. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.